Hey communication literacy team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's class, we're going to focus on the communication literacy exam, the MTEL 01, and specifically the writing exam. I want you to use this video to help you on that exam. And if you like this stuff, give the video a big thumbs up at the end and maybe check out a class sometime, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's do our first set of problems from the communication literacy writing exam. Let's take a look. How much time do you have on these exams? How much time do you have? You have about 4 hours. I'm going to work with a 4-hour pacing for this one, okay? And you may have to modify it, right? But let's say you have 4 hours to do this exam. If we look at that first one right there, I want you to write down, I want you to take 100 minutes, right? 100 minutes to do that first one, 100 minutes. And if that's 100 minutes here, how many short passages do you have in that 100 minutes? How many stories do you have to read? 5? 7? Okay, it should be 10. Has anyone had less than 10? So you're going to have 10 passages in 100 minutes. And what does that work out? What's 100 minutes divided by 10 passages? The pacing for the multiple choice is going to be 10 minutes per passage. Write that down. You are swimming as fast as you can on that, okay? And you got to do 10, like 10 laps in 10 minutes. 10 minutes per passage for 100 minutes. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. Maybe you'll find it helpful. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.